Hi, I'm Allegra.
And I'm Kanika.
And I do the social media and admin at Magical Learning.
And I do the content coordination and some admin in Magical Learning as well.
So today we're going to be doing a review on a book that takes its time, which is a book that focuses on mindfulness and gratitude and self-reflection.
It's also a great activity book and it's very aesthetically pleasing, as you can see. It's got a lot of little books within itself with writing space. It's got stickers, it's got postcards, it's got fold out pages on which you can do a timeline.
They actually sort of take your concentration and make you focus on something, which is like part of mindfulness, being really present in the moment.
Things that I've taken away from this book is now when I wake up in the morning, I try not to look at my phone first thing. I just read. I read for an hour in the morning, and I found that in my free time I've gotten way more creative with different things that I do, and I really like how my day goes after that. Another thing that this book has brought to the forefront is how people sit in their comfort zones and don't do anything outside of it. What I took from that bit is comfort zones can be broken with small day-to-day habits. It's not all one big step. I've really taken to that. I've really tried like cooking different stuff and experimenting, and I think that's really cool.
I found that this book was really good for helping me appreciate the smaller things in my life that seem commonplace, but they're actually quite worthy of note. Grabbing a nice coffee in the morning, seeing cute dogs at the park. They're actually quite important to, being happy.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We would definitely recommend this book.
And if you want to see content like this in the future, please follow us on social media. Thank you.